Year just like that, you flip a switch and here we are.
Boy,
Heat wave.
Can you believe it was 60 last Saturday in Portland and rain?
I can. It's been a shock to the system.
We almost forgot what nice weather was like. Yeah, 4 straight rainy weekends in a row, and now we're pushing 100 degrees maybe tomorrow. So a lot can change in 1 week. But Wayne, I think the nice weather is here. You know, I used to always say the rain is here. Wayne, kind of a tongue twister, but not this weekend, not at all. McMinnville, look at this beautiful shot down here, our Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum camera. You see the jets parked out there in the grass, 91 degrees, a light north wind now. You were in the low to mid 90s today there. Now, RIDGEFIELD ALMANAC camera up there in Southwest Washington. Good evening, you folks up there. Bright blue, sunshine, and a 94 as they continue work on the big hotel up there to make a good addition to the casino there. Current conditions here in downtown Portland. 93 degrees. Now, we've been at 93 for about the last hour, so I think we're going to top out right around there, maybe 94 by the end of the evening here. Notice that humidity, though, 16%. That is a very, very dry air mass over us, and that's being accompanied in by those east winds at 21 miles per hour. Notice those evening temperatures staying in the 80s until after sunset. It's going to be a very, very warm and quite nice evening. So if you're barbecuing, maybe wait a couple more hours and then do a late night barbecue maybe around 8, 9 o'clock or so. 93 so far today in Portland, 93 Vancouver, 95 in Salem. Look at that. Out on the northern Oregon coast, Tillamook at 95. We're running a good 20 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. 95 at the Dalles, a lot of 80s over there in central and eastern Oregon. I think we're going to be up into the 90s over there in central and eastern Oregon tomorrow as we add even more heat to the metro area. There's those current temperatures there, all about where we are for daytime highs today. Bend there at 86. So there's our almanac. So far 93, normal is 76. So we're up there about 18 or so above where we should be, 17 degrees above where we should be this time of the year. Low 57 and nowhere near the record though of 101 set back in 2006. Those east winds still continue, 21 miles an hour now out of the east at Portland. Vancouver 16 miles an hour, and they're beginning to back off on the south and west sides. We'll run the wind gust forecast ahead here overnight. Here's 11:30, the winds back off into the gorge. And then notice tomorrow, when we get to 6:30 tomorrow, a lot less in the way of wind across the metro area, below about 10 miles an hour. But that will actually help to heat us up more, because if you get too much mixing in the atmosphere like we had today, that keeps the temperatures down just a bit. So that's why I'm going for temperatures closer to 100 on Sunday coming up tomorrow. Okay, don't forget, we do have the heat advisory in place all the way through 10 p.m. Monday. We're going to remain in the 90s to near 100 through Monday. And that affects quite a few people there, all the way from the Canadian border down to the California border. Don't forget, heat waves, always important to talk about this. They're the leading killer, weather killer in the United States. So keep hydrated with lots of water. Try to avoid alcohol. And then also use caution near cold rivers. These rivers are still running very high and very cold for this time of the year. And check on the elderly, pets, and children. Day planner for your Sunday, boy, we're going to start out real warm. We'll be near 70 by 7 a.m. Lots of bright sunshine, up around 90 at noon. And we're headed for close to 100 once we get to the later afternoon hours. All right, Willamette, Columbia, both at 60 degrees. This is what I was talking about on those river temperatures. Washougal, Sandy, Deschutes, hypothermia can set in. Even with temperatures close to 100 in the air, those water temperatures are extremely cold. Okay, 7-day forecast. We'll go 100 tomorrow for a high temperature. Notice that low tomorrow night, just 65. So those of you without air conditioning, not much relief until about 3 in the morning on Monday morning. One more day of hot weather on Monday, 94. Tuesday, cooler, slow clearing Wednesday and Thursday. Seasonable temperatures those 2 days. And just up again around 80 to 85 as we lead into the 4th of July weekend. So Wayne, I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good in my book. That's a nice forecast for sure.
Yeah, I feel like we've already dried out.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure.
Sounds good. Shifting to sports now.